How to repost a tweet on X or Twitter. It's very simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application Twitter or X. Make sure you are logged in into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this home page. Now in this page, you simply have to scroll all the way down and move into any of the tweets that you want to repost. So let's say I want to repost this picture or the post. You can see this option right over here. You need to click on it and then simply click on repost. The tweet has been reposted. In order to figure it out, head over to your profile. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the tweet that you have reposted. Now if you want to unrepost, then simply click on it. And then you have to click on the same icon that you have clicked on before. After that, tap on undo repost, and then the repost will be deleted. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.